Hey guys, in today's video we're just going to be unboxing these guys right here. Now they are slow flow and stage 1, both of these. And it does come in pack 3. This one's only 148 milliliters and this one right here is only 266, so that's the bigger bottle. So we're going to start off with that one. Just a quick look around the box so you guys can see what's going on here, but there isn't that much information I can show you around it. So here are all the bottles. Now let's take a look at the small one first. It does come with this. I'm not sure why it's all wrinkled up, but there we go. So this would be for grip. This is all glass. Obviously we do have to wash these before using them. And this part does come out. Yep, this part does come out. And the grip, you want the grip to always come out so you can wash this better. There we go. See, the grip comes out, feel okay, and you can obviously see that we would need to wash these for sure. So let's open these up. And that paper there just said to pinch the nipple, so that way we know it's fully open. So let's take this out. We need to wash this all anyways. You shouldn't just use it right away. So regardless, we do need to wash this again. And this is stage 1 once again. If I just secure it on top, there we go. So that's how it looks. And if I put this in here again, putting the wrong way. So taking off the grip and putting it back on, I wouldn't say it's tricky, but it's not the easiest thing in the world to make it look good. Other than that, it does feel like it's secure. For some reason, this looks like it's got a bit of a smudge there. And if I take a look at the bottles, this one in particular looks like it's got something going on here. Well, that's just glue. And this almost looks like a crack, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, I want to try to clean that up and see if it's a smudge or it's an actual crack. That way I will need to just replace it. I can tell you that this does in fact snap in, so it does stay there. And it does put some pressure on the nipple itself, I can see that. As for the nipple, let's just take a look at it. So I'm going to try to take it out and see how easy that is. Yeah, so it's not hard to take it out. Pretty standard nipple. And to put it back in, should be just as easy. There we go. Yep. Now again, not sure why all the bottles look kind of dirty, especially small ones. But that's how they come in. Obviously, again, you would need to wash them. Now the bigger ones, they're much bigger. You can see the difference between the two. And they're much bigger. So let's just take one of these guys out and take a look at them. I'll put this nipple back. Here we go. And let's take a look at the bottle itself. Again, I'm going to take this out. And they all come with this paper telling you to pinch the nipple to make sure it's fully open. And as for quality wise, feels okay. Again, I have to wash it because all this makes it look so bad. But yeah, that's just from the rubber that you got out there. That will help you with some grip. Although the shape that it's got, I like it. That has already some grip to it, so it doesn't just slide. Yeah, point, most likely just exchange this one right here since it's got a crack. But anyways, as for an unboxing goes, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.